what's up, people? It's John Potts, and so basically, I took up graphing, and I just got back from the local graph store, and this is what I got. It's a Joystick Bullett, and I filled it up with my own black ink, and so yeah, I'm just gonna do like a test with it on this crappy old canvas of mine. So. Now, as you can see, my ink has very, very nice controllable drips, and yeah, so it has nice controllable drips. It's very clean, and the joystick bullet has a very nice nib, and that's how it just came out so good. So yeah, that's Bullet. So yeah, peace.